come out with two wonderful books written by Dash Sachit, happens to be my grandson, and one is a friction, the other one is non-friction. And the friction, you will really enjoy books, stories on different things like mischievous monkeys, fall of the beast, very interesting, and you will not keep the book unless you finish it. The other one is the non-friction, unlimited nature. It's again written by Dash Sachit, 10-year-old, and it's also excellent. It gives a bird eye view of all the animals, rare and often found animals in national as well as international. It gives a detailed nature of them and what they are made of, and also in the end you will feel empathetic, you will understand animals, children will automatically happy and connect with them much more better. These books I will recommend even for schools. Schools can have them in their library. It makes an excellent reading for children, and not only reading, I assure you their language also will be attuned much better. Not only children but also adults as well, because the book caters to them as well, those who want to get overall view of animals instead of searching one by one. And I request the schools also to have one copy in the schools to encourage children reading and benefit from this book. And if you want to buy this book, it is available in the e-commerce Flipkart sites like Flipkart and Amazon. You can go and buy it from there, and link will be provided below.
Thank you. And hello, I am the how to say
Grandson.
She was referring to. I am not wearing headphones, so forgive me if my voice is a bit bad quality. But the thing is, I'm much better at speaking on camera, so I think my voice would be the same quality as my grandmother's. Anyway, so yes, link will be given in the description below. You can go and look at both books. I'm quite proud of both of them, and we shall see you later.